वेगवेगळे रंग, जाती आणि आकाराची नुसते पळोवपाची संद सोडू नका. भेट दियात वेर्णेच्या एबीज द अंडरवर्ल्डाक. हांगा नुसते बरोबर खेळात. लॉबस्टर, स्टारफिश, आरापोमा, लकी फिश, रेड टेल कॅटफिश, जायंट गोरामी, सी अर्चिन आणि कितलेशेच तरांचे नुस्तें यात आणि खेळात. हांगा पळयात पोगो चॅनलावेलो निमो फिश. तुम्ही केन्ना नुस्तेकारांची जीण अणभवल्या? एबीज द अंडरवर्ल्डात नुस्तेकारूय जावंक मेळटा. सुटयेचो आणि जेवणाचो आस्वाद घेतना करुया थोडी मौज मस्ती. दर्याचो विज्ञानीक अणभव. एबीज द अंडरवर्ल्ड, वेर्णेच्या एंटीक माळरान.
Siddhi Decorators. We create sweet memories forever. We are specialized in all decorations with cloth draping, flower decorations, artificial and natural flowers, vidhi mandap, balloon decorations, baby shower setup, thread ceremony, naming ceremony, everything in lights and sound, banquet setup, wedding packages, birthday packages to create sweet memories. For Siddhi Decorators, proprietor Deepak Mandrekar, shop number 6 and 7, Siddesh Apartments, opposite Bank of Baroda, Giri. You can also contact us on 9422640532 or 9158185302 or 9158185302.
उजो पालोवपी दळाच्या खात्यान नेस्लेक बरोबर घेवन 7वी अखिल गोंय हायस्कूल क्विज सर्त दवरिल्ली. शिक्षणाच्या ज्ञानाबरोबर भुरग्यांक बाकीच्योय 4 गजाली कळच्यो म्हूण सर्तीक लोकांकडच्यान बरो प्रतिसाद मेळ्ळो.
Is basically important for our children who are our next generation to learn and be conscious about the accidents which happen day to day. Many of accidents can be avoided, and if we pass on such knowledge and bring up such platforms for children to attend, we can definitely make a difference in the society. That's one of the reason why.
And we always believe that we need to do something for the children, not only fire drills and fire safety education, also get the children from across the state to come together on one platform and do such a competition where they meet with other friends and also compete in the quiz contest.
The more knowledge you have, the more intelligent you are. And this is a world where there is so much of competition. Definitely you will fit somewhere or the other, and all the dreams which you have in your mind will all come true. I would like to also acknowledge our fire service personnel today who dedicate themselves for our state, for our nation. They save our property and lives.
मिरामार स्पोर्ट्स क्लबान दवरिल्ली तिसरी ऑल इंडिया आमंत्रितांची टेबल टेनिस सर्त मंगळारा कांपालार सुरू जाली. सर्तीत अंदू भारताचो 5वो मानांकीत अनुक्रम जैन खास आकर्षण आसतलो. पयल्या रावंडाचो खेळ मंगळारा सांजे सुरू जालो. पळयात गेमीची कांय खिणचित्रां.